What's up, everybody? This is Luffy from Prime Tribe Fit, and today we're going to learn how to do some hip hinges. Alright, let's go. Put your hands on your hips and stand with your feet hip width apart. Place your hips back, bending your knees only as needed until you feel a stretch in your hamstrings. Squeeze your glutes as you forcefully push your hips forward again to stand up straight. And continue this for 15 reps. So remember, with your core tight, squeeze your glutes all at the same time as you stand up. So you have to feel like you're making a solid wall between your stomach and your butt, your glutes. Prime Tribe Fit. If you like this video, subscribe, share, comment, put your notifications on.